This is the 1966 Ford Bronco, one of the greatest American 4x4. I love this car. It just makes me happy. The best way I can describe it is like that perfect summer song that every time you listen to it makes you happy and it makes you feel like you are on vacation. That's how this car makes me feel. So let's take a look at it. This beauty is one of the most iconic off-roaders in American history. Ford gave it a simple shape, tight proportions, and real off-road capabilities. And by doing so, they created something timeless. This particular car has a beautiful color combo. It's finished in Boxwood Green over vintage oak Relic leather. It's fully restored from the frame up. It has a 2.5-inch suspension lift, which makes it even cooler to me, and a rebuilt 289 V8. The fenders are original and uncut, which is getting harder to find. The wheels are factory style, powder coated in white, wrapped in BFG all-terrain tires. It also has power from disc brakes, which give you the kind of stopping confidence the original never had. It also has new quick detach doors. Inside, it has a beautiful layout. Everything is trimmed in Relic leather. The seats, dashpad, door panels, center console, and rear inserts. It also has Dakota digital gauges, which give you a clean, modern readout while still fitting the classic look. There is a tilt steering column, which gives you a bit more flexibility when you are getting in or finding a comfortable driving position. It's topped with a Nardi wheel and vintage 4-horn button. It feels intentional, clean, but not overbuilt. It runs a rebuilt 289 V8 and a C4 automatic transmission. It's fitted with Holy Sniper electronic fuel injection, a custom 23-gallon tank, upgrade Teflon fuel lines, and a Ron Davis aluminum radiator with an electric fan. It also has a vintage air AC and a brand new wiring harness. Everything was done to make it more useful, without losing the simplicity that makes it great. This isn't a daily. You don't drive it to work. You drive it when the weather is good, the roads are quiet, and you are not in a rush. It's mechanical, it's simple, and it's full of charm. The 289 V8 gives you that deep, mellow rumble. Not too loud, not too quiet. It just sounds right. The first generation Bronco ran from 1966 to 1977. Ford created this car to compete against the Gypsy J and the International Scout, but they end up with something completely their own. Clean lines, short wheelbase, light enough to be playful, but comfortable enough to be a daily. This car helped define a new kind of vehicle, one that blended off-road capability with everyday drivability, what we know today as the SUV. And even today, people are still obsessed with this car. The Ford Bronco is more than just a car. It represents a lifestyle of freedom and fun. It also represents the American culture. And personally, I think this is the perfect summer car. This car is now available at Reimel Motor Cars. If you like vintage car and the story behind the machine, like and subscribe for more just like it. See you at the next one.